Here is a 15-step ultimate guide to help beginners navigate the best Robo-Advisor platforms in 2024. Step 1. Understand what a Robo-Advisor is. A Robo-Advisor is a type of online investment platform that uses automated algorithms to manage and invest your money. It's a low-cost, accessible alternative to traditional human financial advisors. Step 2. Define your investment goals. Before choosing a Robo-Advisor, identify your investment goals and risk tolerance. Do you want to save for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a specific financial goal? How much risk are you willing to take? Step 3. Research top robo-advisors. Look for reputable robo-advisors with a strong track record, low fees, and a user-friendly interface. Some popular options include Betterment, Wealthfront, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, Vanguard Personal Advisor Services, Fidelity Go, Robinhood, Stash, and Acorns. Step 4. Evaluate fees. Compare the fees charged by each robo-advisor. Look for platforms with low or no management fees, as well as low or no minimum balance requirements. Step 5. Check investment options. Make sure the robo-advisor offers investment options that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Some platforms may offer more conservative or aggressive options, while others may focus on specific asset classes like ETFs and mutual funds. Step 6. Consider tax implications. Some robo-advisors offer tax loss harvesting, which can help minimize your tax liability. Look for platforms that offer this service. Step 7. Review mobile app. Check if the robo-advisor has a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to manage your investments on the go. Step 8. Evaluate customer support. Look for platforms with excellent customer support, including phone support, email support, and online chat support. Step 9. Check security. Ensure the robo-advisor is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation (SIPC) and has adequate insurance coverage. Step 10. Read reviews and ratings. Check online reviews and ratings from reputable sources like NerdWallet, Kiplinger, and The Balance to get an idea of the robo-advisor's performance. Step 11. Compare investment minimums. Check if the robo-advisor has a minimum investment requirement. Some platforms may have lower or no minimums, while others may require more significant investments. Step 12. Evaluate portfolio rebalancing. Check if the robo-advisor offers automatic portfolio rebalancing, which can help maintain your target asset allocation. Step 13. Check for educational resources. Look for platforms that offer educational resources, such as articles, webinars, and videos, to help you learn more about investing. Step 14. Review account management. Check if the robo-advisor allows you to manage your account online or through their mobile app. Can you easily view your account statements, transaction history, and performance reports? Step 15. Start investing. Once you've chosen the best robo-advisor for your needs, open an account and start investing. Be sure to review your investment options and risk tolerance regularly to ensure your portfolio remains aligned with your goals. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to finding the best robo-advisor platform for your investment needs in 2024.